Discover your true passion. Design your future. Welcome to Yashoda Technical Campus, Satara. A place where your dreams are nurtured, your ideas take flight, and your future is shaped with purpose and excellence. Established in 2011, Yashoda Technical Campus has steadily evolved into one of the top multidisciplinary institutions in Maharashtra, committed to excellence in technical, pharmaceutical, architectural, and management education. This remarkable growth is guided by the visionary leadership of Honorable Professor Dasharat Sagre, Founder President, and the dynamic energy of Honorable Professor Ajinkya Sagre, Vice President. At the heart of this educational journey lies a student-centric learning ecosystem, deeply rooted in values, innovation, and future readiness. Yashoda Technical Campus, a complete education destination. Education here is not confined to the classroom. It is a transformational journey. We focus on nurturing technically sound, ethically aware, and socially responsible professionals across all disciplines. Faculty of Engineering designed for the future. Choose from a wide spectrum of futuristic and core engineering branches: Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Computer Science and Engineering, Cybersecurity, Computer Science and Engineering, Robotics and Artificial Intelligence, Mechatronics Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering. Faculty of Pharmacy, Serving Science and Society, a center of excellence offering diverse programs: D.Pharm, Foundation in Pharmaceutical Sciences; B.Pharm, Comprehensive Undergraduate Degree; Pharm.D, Doctoral Level Clinical Pharmacy Program; M.Pharm, Research Focused Postgraduation. With modern labs, hospital collaborations, and placement support, our pharmacy students lead in healthcare, research, and innovation. Faculty of Management, nurturing future leaders. Prepare for a successful career in business and IT with BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration; BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications; MBA, Master of Business Administration; MCA, Master of Computer Applications. We combine theory, case studies, and industry projects to shape confident, strategic, and innovative professionals. College of Architecture, shaping spaces, designing futures, where design meets vision. B.Arch, Bachelor of Architecture, 5 years program. Diploma in Interior Design, skill-based, industry-relevant training. With expert mentorship and design studios, we encourage creative thinking and practical application in the built environment. Polytechnic College, technical skills that empower. Career-ready diploma courses in core and future-focused technologies: Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Civil Engineering, Computer Engineering, Mechanical Engineering. Hands-on learning, industry interaction, and state-of-the-art labs ensure jobs-ready skills, training, and placement, your launchpad to success. At Yashoda Technical Campus, we understand that education must lead to meaningful employment and professional growth. Our dedicated training and placement cell works proactively to bridge the gap between classroom learning and industry expectations. Through structured aptitude training, soft skill development, technical workshops, and mock interviews, we prepare students for competitive campus placements. Regular campus drives, internship tie-ups, and industry mentoring sessions ensure that students are not only placed in reputed companies like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, and Cipla, but are also groomed to thrive as jobs creators, not just job seekers. With an ever-expanding alumni network and excellent recruiter feedback, we stand by our promise of being a career-launching institution. Dedicated and experienced faculty. Yashoda Technical Campus take pride on its team of highly qualified, experienced and student-centric faculty members. Our educators not only deliver academic content with clarity and precision but also mentor students in their personal and professional journeys. Actively involved in research, innovation and industry collaborations, they ensure that learning goes beyond textbook and into real-world applications. Their commitment to excellence plays a key role in shaping competent, confident, and future-ready graduates. Academic excellence with expert mentorship. Behind every successful professional is a team of inspiring educators. Our experienced, passionate, and research-driven faculty guide students with both academic rigor and real-world insights. Innovation and research at the core. With our Research and Development Cell and Innovation Incubation Center, students actively engage in real-time projects, publish research papers, and explore startups, making innovation habit, not a goal. Infrastructure that inspires, central library with thousands of books and journals, smart classrooms and advanced computer labs, specialized labs for all branches, design and innovation centers, spacious campus, Wi-Fi enabled, fully equipped hostels, strong industry connect. We maintain dynamic industry collaborations that offer real-time project exposure, guest lectures by industry leaders, internship at top companies, industry-sponsored labs and placement support, career-focused approach. Our training and placement cell ensures campus drives with top MNCs, soft skills, resume writing and mock interviews, 100% placement assistance, all-round development for a balanced life, sports, indoor and outdoor, fully equipped gym and yoga facilities, cultural festivals, tech fests, talent shows, environmental and social outreach programs, club for robotics, coding, music, drama, photography. We foster a joyful, active and collaborative learning environment, empowering students to choose their path with confidence. At Yashoda Technical Campus, Satara, we don't just teach, we empower students to discover their purpose. We equip them with tools, technology and training to become leaders, innovators and changemakers in the world of tomorrow.